What it do, y'all? It's your boy Yak City 360, bringing y'all a quick one. Just letting y'all know I'm still around, still kicking and breathing. I just ain't been having much to do, working on cars and stuff, and y'all know that's really what my channel is about, front yard mechanic stuff. I really don't post my barbering on here. I might start putting a couple things on here and there, just to let y'all know I'm still around. But on the box Chevy, the tan one, at least on the rear driver, maybe my wheel cylinder is locking up. It's something in that back drum that's like not necessarily locking up, but my brake's not releasing as soon as I let go of the brake pedal, if y'all know what I mean. So that and my power steering pump. I don't know if I put too much fluid in there, because when I turn it all the way and it's turned tight, it makes a horrible noise. So I'm thinking maybe it's because it's over full. So I'm gonna siphon some of the fluid out and see what it sounds like, and look at the rear driver brake situation and see what that is talking about. So soon, upcoming videos for the box Chevy will be looking at the rear driver brakes, and really the rear brakes in general, but at least the rear driver side and the power steering pump. But I also was trying to start it the other day, and since it's being cold and stuff, the cold cranking amps, the engine wasn't turning over the best. So my first thing is going to be, I'm going to put a new negative and a new positive power cable on there. New battery cables. The positive goes all the way to the starter and jumps over to the alternator, to the battery. And the one from the ground is to the body, to the battery, and to the alternator, or not the alternator, but somewhere on the engine. But rear brakes, power steering, and battery cables / battery. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's your boy Yak City 360 getting up out of here. December 20th. What's today? Today, December 28th, 2024. If the weather's right and it's on off days, I might work on a Chevy before the new year, y'all. But y'all stay tuned. I'm going to bring y'all some content soon. Just bear with me, y'all.